So hey guys, this is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu. Hope you guys doing good. So we can see some couple of stock analysis today and plenty of stocks, almost like more than 5 to 10 stocks we can see as of now analysis. So I took a screenshot of couple of stocks which I was kept in my watch list, almost like 50 to 75 stocks I kept in my watch list, and so I just want to predict and want to say how the stocks are going up. Okay, and see the first stock. This is IDFC First Bank. See, as per the weekly time frame, the market is touching exactly, is going nearer to the trend line. We can expect at least, definitely we can expect 36 to 40 in upcoming days. And because this IDFC First Bank is a lazy stock, it almost reached 100 before a couple of years, and right now the market is at the low, and definitely will grow in a big stages. And this stock will give 36 as a short-term target as of now. So next stock would be Zeal. So there's always a competition between Zeal, ITC, and State Bank, who will reach the first as 200 rupees finally, and Zeal and State Bank has won the match, has won the tournament, and Zeal almost like crossed the trend line, given the support almost like 139, and as per the day candle, then again given almost like 70 points. Exactly the Zeal is in exactly at the major resistance. So we cannot know, might be fall, might be come down, might be go up and reach almost like 250 in upcoming days. But remember, Zeal is a dipped stock. SL Group stock, Zeal is a dipped stock. You need to guys focus this stock as a for a short term, not for the long term. And next is Infi. So as of now, the couple of IT stocks are in a channel as well as the sideways market. So this IT Infosys is a top five, one of the top 5% weighted stocks in Nifty, and this stock, as once the channel gets broken, the market turns into sideways. That is like 950 or 930 to 960 always range. The market is turned to sideways like almost like 2 weeks, almost like 2 to 3 weeks market in sideways. So if any side breaks, we can go for expert. We can go for a investment or a short selling. Yeah. And TCS, again, this is again a panel. See, same like as per the day time frame, the market is channel. Once it breaks the channel, from the channel itself, the market is in sideways, and clearly it shows like the market has given an indication to break downside. So we need to wait for the upcoming days whether the market sustains upside or downside, or whether the market turns this trend line as a resistance. We need to wait for that. Infratel. See, once the trend line, there is a clearly triangle pattern, descending triangle pattern formed with 4 times the market has been touched the resistance, and from there the market turns into sideways, and so again the market has given almost like 200. See, the last like couple of weeks the market was in kind of like 190 to 200 range was there, but finally today it touched almost like 203. So we need to wait whether market comes down to 190 or 203 breaks. We need to wait for it. Yeah. State Bank, ascending triangle got broken and lost 3 days. The market was up. A couple of last 2 weeks, the banking stock was doing good, and it was a huge highs are giving there. So this 220 we can expect a target. 216 as a short term target. Once it 216 breaks, we can go for 220 as a target. Infratel I showed this, and the Bandhan Bank. See, once the trend line gets broken, once the trend line before the trend line last 4 days and after the trend line last 4 days, market was in a clear sideways consolidation market. So if downside consolidation, we expect a huge upside, and this we called as like accumulation fees for the Richard week of rule. And if market goes upside, definitely we can expect at least the 300 plus, 320 or 300 plus. Yeah. And SRT Transport, one of the favorite stocks for the recently many people. This SRT stock has given a C. The market is in channel, a trend line pattern. This is a major resistance. See, 3 times the mark, 4 times the market touch a resistance. 750 is a target. So once this trend line got broken, given a huge high today, almost like 40 points given high today, and we can expect 749 as a target. Yeah. And this one thing, and see this candle, JSW, two resistance got broken on two, almost like 40 points, almost like 40 points is given. We can expect a fall from 300 almost 292 240 as a huge fall. So that's it, guys. And last stock, L&T has a clear channel pattern as per the weekly time frame as well as monthly time frame. You can expect at least a 950 or 940 range is a good for investment for the long term, guys. That's it for the guys, and I hope you guys like this video, I guess. And please subscribe my channel for updates. In case the volume is very low, please kindly bear with it, because I just I'm just want to do the video to give an output to you and give an input. All the stocks are doing good for the upcoming days and weeks, and please kindly bear with the volume and stuff, guys. Take care. Bye bye.